Hello, this video will show you how to fill out a payment request form. You first want to access the payment request form. We have copies in the resource room, or you can log on to OWL Connect to find it. Scroll down to the Campus Link sections of OWL Connect and click on the Office of Student Involvement Resources and Forms. Click on the Finance Documents and Form folder and download the payment request form. There's 4 different reasons to use a payment request form. The first is for a cash advance. This is when you need cash in hand to make a purchase. You will need to complete this payment request form along with a cash advance agreement form at least 3 weeks in advance. A check will then be mailed to the requester's home to be cashed. A vendor payment is when we need to pay someone for their services, like a DJ, caterer, or guest speaker. Student reimbursement is for when a member of a club uses their own money to pay for club business. Lastly, P-card. That's when you need to make an online or in-store purchase with a credit card. Remember, you should be submitting this form at least 15 business days in advance to allow enough time for approval and processing. The purpose of this video, we will fill out this form to use the university credit card, also known as the P-card. Type in the information of the person that's requesting to use the card. This is who we will contact when the form is approved and the P-card is ready for use. Type in the information where the card will be used or who will be paid. If you're paying a business, disregard the FEIN section. If it's for a student reimbursement, type in their Hoot Loot number in this section. If you're purchasing in-store, disregard the website section. If you're purchasing online, type in the website here. This section is to identify how much money you're going to be spending and from which accounts. The fund section is where you indicate which budget your spending will be coming out of. If you're using your fundraised money, type in a 5. If you're using your student government budget, type in a 6. Type in your organization's banner number. If you don't know your banner number, you can always use the resource room to find this out. Their telephone number is 203-392-5649. The account number indicates what type of purchase you will be doing. The account codes can also be found in the Finance Documents folder. Type in the amount that you wish you'll be spending. When using your fundraising account, you must attach meeting minutes that include a formal vote indicating how much money you will be spending. No meeting minutes are required when using your student government budget. You will also need to print out a justification of what you will be purchasing. This can be an invoice, a printed online shopping cart, or an itemized receipt. An itemized receipt is required for all reimbursements. You'll be reimbursed for everything except the tax. If you're filling out this form for a reimbursement and you've shopped at different locations, fill out each line for every store that you went to. Type in the description of your expenditure. If you're filling out this form to pay out a contract or for travel, type in the TA or contract number. Type in the date of your event if this is applicable. If this form is for a cash advance, please check the cash advance option. An executive board member needs to sign on this form as well as the club advisor. You cannot sign the paperwork if you are the treasurer and you are the one being reimbursed. Another e-board member must sign this form. Once you have completed the form, an e-board member has signed it and the club advisor, you must attach supporting documents and receipts as well as include all meeting minutes. You can then drop the form off in the Adante Center, room 217.